Good morning, children. I hope all of you are safe at your home. So, children, today we will revise second chapter of EVS, that is Inside My Body. In this chapter, children, we will discuss about the internal and external organs. Okay. So, see here, first one, external organs. What are external organs, children? Do you remember that? The organs which we are able to see. Okay, the organs which we are able to see, they are called external organs. For example, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, okay, hand, legs, all these organs which we are able to see, all the organs which we are able to see, they are called external organs. Okay, now see here, children, our body mainly divided in three parts. Okay, see here, three parts. First one, head, second, trunk, and third one, limbs. This part we call head. Okay, below that, this part we call it trunk. Okay, and our hand and legs are known as limbs. Okay, first one, head, second, trunk, okay, and this part known as limbs. Limbs include our hands and legs. Okay, children. Now see here, what is this, children? This is known as our neck. What is the function of neck? Neck join our head with the trunk. Okay, neck join our head with the trunk. Okay. Now move to the next sheet. See here, children. Internal organs. See, they have four internal organs are given, and we are going to discuss about these four internal organs. Okay, because only these four internal organs are given in your book. But there are so many internal organs present in our body. Okay, see the first one, brain. Brain is present in, this is our brain, and brain is present in which part of the body? Head. Okay, second one, see what is this? Heart, and heart is present on the left side of the chest. Okay, left side of the chest. Third one, what is this? Lungs. This is our, these are the lungs. Okay, and lungs are also present in our chest. Now fourth one, stomach. Stomach is present in our belly. Okay, so we are going to discuss about all these internal organs one by one. But before discussing about the internal organ, first of all, see the definition of internal organs. So children, what are internal organs? The organs which we cannot see. And why we cannot see them? Because they are present inside our body. Okay. There are so many internal organs which are present in our body. For example, brain, heart, lungs, kidney, liver, large intestine, small intestine. So many internal organs are present in our body, but we are not able to see them. Because of that, we call it internal organs. Okay, internal organs. So children, one by one we will discuss about all the internal organs, okay, which are given in your syllabus. See the first one. What is the first one? Brain. And brain is present in which part of the body? Head part. Okay, this is our head and this one is our brain. So brain is located in our head. Okay, inside our head. It helps us to remember, learn and think. That is why we call it thinking organ. The brain also controls all other function of our body. When we touch a hot object, the brain gets this message and quickly send a signal promoting us to remove our hand from that object. Okay, children? Suppose by mistake if you are touching any hot object, then suddenly you remove your hand. How? Why it happened? Because your brain help you. Okay, brain get this message and quickly send a signal and tell you that remove your hand, and if you are not removing your hand you will get burned. Okay, now children, see so brain is very important organ of our body. So how we will take care of our brain? we should sleep for 8 hours at least. Second, while traveling on a motorbike or a scooter, we should always wear helmet. Okay? Now, see the next one, children. Next organ is our heart. Okay, next internal organ is our heart. So, heart is present in which part of the body? Heart is present on left side of the chest. Okay, it is present on left side of the chest. And what is the function of the heart? Heart pumps blood to all other parts of the body. Okay, children, our heart beats 72 times in a minute. Okay, in 1 minute, okay, children, in 1 minute, heart beats 72 times. Okay, in a healthy human body, if you see, then our heart beats 72 times in 1 minute. Okay. Now children, when heart beats, it produces a sound. And which type of sound it produces? Love dub. Okay, love dub. And you can also feel this by putting your hand on your left side, on the left side of your chest. If you are putting your hand on the left side of your chest, you can also feel the love dub sound. Okay. Now children, one more thing, a doctor uses the stethoscope to listen our heartbeat. Okay, and how we will keep our heart healthy? By doing exercise. Okay, and by eating healthy food. Okay, we will keep our heart healthy. Okay, so by doing exercise and by eating healthy food, we will keep our heart healthy. Clear? Now move to the next one, children. What is the next one? Lungs. Okay, so children, our body has 2 lungs. Okay, are you able to see? 2 lungs. Our body has 2 lungs. See this one, left lung and right lungs. Okay, and located on either side of the chest. And lungs are also located in which part of the body? In the chest. See here in this diagram, in the chest part of the body. Our lungs help us to breathe. Okay, what is the function of lungs? It helps us to breathe. When we breathe the air in, our chest expand, and when we breathe out, it contracts. Like suppose children, I am drawing the diagram. Suppose we are able to breathe in air through our nose. Suppose this is our nose. So we are breathing in with the help of nose. So air or you can say oxygen goes inside our nose, and after that it enters inside the windpipe, and from windpipe it goes inside the lungs. Okay, so when air go in, what will happen to the lungs? It expands. Okay, expand means, what is the meaning of expand, children? Become large. Okay, our lungs become large. Okay, and when we breathe out, okay, when we breathe out, see here, wait. When we breathe out, air goes outside. So at that time, what happens, children? Our lungs contract. Okay, and what is the meaning of contract? It becomes small in size. Clear? Now children, one more thing. How we are able to keep our lungs healthy? By doing deep breathing exercise. Okay. By doing deep breathing exercise, we will keep our lungs healthy. Clear? Now move to the next one. Stomach. So children, the next the next internal organ is our stomach. The food that we eat. Okay children, from where we eat our food? From by the help of our mouth. Okay, wait. See, we eat our food with the help of mouth. Okay, after that food enter inside the food pipe, and after that it goes inside the stomach. This is our stomach. Okay, this is our stomach. So what happens? The food that we eat goes into our stomach. The stomach breaks down the food that we eat, okay, and it helps to digest our food. What is the function of stomach? It helps to digest our food, okay. And how we will take care of our stomach? We should avoid eating junk food item like pizza, Maggie, pasta, okay. All these things we should try to avoid. So we will keep our stomach healthy. And second thing, we should eat more fruits and vegetables. Then also we will keep our stomach healthy. Okay children, now all of you revise this topic. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss the book exercise. Okay, now all of you take care. Thank you.